Hi folks, this is Beginning Algebra Take Home 6. We're given a fairly complicated compound inequality to deal with. So we're asked to solve and write our answer in interval notation. So the first thing we want to do is break this down into a compound inequality since we have x's all over the place. So this is the same as asking 1 minus 2x is less than or equal to 3x minus 5 and 3x minus 5 is less than 4x plus 9. So we'll solve this the way we solve all these compound inequalities. We'll solve each of them separately, and then we'll intersect the solution set. So we'll get all the x's on one side. 1 is less than or equal to 5x minus 5. Now we'll add the 5 to both sides, and I get 6 is less than or equal to 5x. Divide both sides by 5, and I get 6/5 is less than or equal to x. On the right hand side, I'll subtract 3x from both sides, so I get negative 5 is less than x plus 9, and subtract 9 from both sides, I get negative 14 is less than x. So, since this is an and, I need to intersect the solution sets. So what I'll do is I'll graph them both on the real number line. Here's negative 14, and here's 6/5. So x is greater than or equal to 6/5, so I'm going to put a filled in circle, and the x is then everything to the right of that. Here x is greater than negative 14, so I have an open circle, and I have everything to the right of that. Since we have an and, we're going to look for the intersection or the overlap of these two sets. And as I go through here, I see they start to overlap, and they overlap from 6/5 to infinity. So the final answer then is bracket 6/5 off to infinity. And that'll do it for Take Home 6.